Few industries are more complex or involve as many trading partners as the collision industry, from auto manufacturers to body shops, and insurance companies to salvage and recyclers. It takes a lot of companies working together to keep cars safely on the road. Like most businesses today, the collision industry relies on technology to drive communication across this complex ecosystem. Doing so requires a common means of communicating from one system to another. That's where CIECA comes in. CIECA is the nonprofit industry association created to develop a common language that enables computer systems to communicate efficiently. CIECA doesn't create or sell software. We develop the standards that member companies from all segments of the collision industry use to exchange information electronically with their trading partners. For example, ABC Body Shop needs to order parts to repair a car. Rather than calling multiple parts distributors separately, they connect to them electronically with a shop management system that leverages CIECA standards. Then, ABC's shop management system automatically sends a request to their parts distributor's system in a standard language. This standard language makes the industry more efficient, provides easier access to information, and ultimately helps the shop find a distributor with the parts they need at the best available price. CIECA standards are created by members and industry representatives who volunteer their time to be part of the various CIECA committees. The standards are widely used throughout the collision industry to help drive millions of electronic commerce transactions each year. Collision repair still involves a lot of players, but CIECA standards make it easy to share data while saving companies countless hours of programming now and in the future as business evolves. For more information, visit CIECA.com.